if you're a dropshipper or business owner, you know that you have to paste addresses or other things from one place to another. Now, I know not a lot of people like AI, but AI can be very useful in this specific case because you could paste in here an entire email that you received without doing any filtering, and then just click the Zipifil button, and it's actually quite magical the way it fills in the entire form with no problems at all. Can you just see that magic that just happened right now? The AI took all the unstructured data from an email and filled this form in one go, in one click. You didn't have to do anything. So this doesn't only apply to regular forms, it also applies to drop downs. As you can see, drop downs and anything else. It will also fill in product forms or any type of forms you can think of. So for example, let's say you had to fill in a product information for a Shopify product, for example. Let's say this is your product listing that you needed to fill. This is also a form. So this would also work in this case as well. Let me show you how you would do this. So I would paste in this box the information for the form, and then I click Zipifil, and what you're about to see is kind of magical because I wrote this in like regular kind of way. So as you can see, it's filled in the form. It's going to fill in all the fields of the form. It's put in the price and everything. It's filled in the whole thing. Now I can see there's no description, but what we could do is actually go to the generate AI content function over here, and then just give it a prompt, and then it will generate information which will be much better for this form. So this is actually like an assistant that will help you with the form. As you can see, it's kind of made all the information. Now when I click Zipifil, it's actually going to fill it in even better. So this is actually going to help you fill entire forms in one go. Let's have a look at this now. And just like that, it's filled in everything, including the title and the description, and it's filled it in properly and in a nice, more organized and structured way. So as you can see, this is not only a form filler for dropshippers to fill in forms like on eBay, Amazon FBA, and all of the other platforms. It actually does more than just that. It's absolutely fantastic. It's called Zipifil. You can get it from zipifil.com and click on add to Chrome, and then it's all yours. You can add it to your Chrome, and there's a free trial without any credit card details, so you can get yourself started testing it. Make sure it's good for your business. Make sure it's going to save you time filling those annoying daily forms so you can be more productive with other things. Thank you for watching.